जो सेक्स सिलेक्शन का जो ये प्रॉब्लम है, इसमें 50% पेशेंट है तो 50% डॉक्टर भी।
टीचर्स यूज्ड टू से कि व्हाटएवर यू आर डूइंग इज योर ब्रेड बट दिस इज योर जैम एंड बटर।
पूरा था मैं सारे इंडिया में भेजूंगा इसको मैं, तो उन्होंने क्या बोलते हैं अपने कमरे में लगा लिया, आज तक उसको कुछ नहीं किया आज तक।
We never accepted the very truth.
Prosperity is increasing, this male preponderance is also trying to increase.
A mind has to be changed.
Or they have even a code language for that.
Yeah. Some agents are there, those who are taking a commission.
98% of doctors are not doing it.
During the last 10-15 years, we never came out to tell this as a community.
The worst challenge is from the politicians.
We are taking all the risk.
நம்பர் குறைஞ்சு 850 குறைஞ்சிட்டு இருக்குது. வட மாநிலங்களில் கிட்டத்தட்ட 700 போயிட்டு இருக்குது. இது காரணம் அந்த மாதிரி
We are visiting different ultrasound clinics and nursing homes and telling to the radiologist how to complete the Form F and other formalities under the Act to be completed.
We arrange seminars on talking about it, on the different forums about it.
We have distributed checklist. During the private nursing home association doctors meeting, we have distributed copy of checklist to every doctor.
We were being part of a system which was actually playing havoc on our reputation.
We had to work very hard to explain them this is rather in their favor, and later on, due to our communication with them, our talk to them, path to them, and what our relation with them, they have come to know that this is not against the medical profession, rather this is enhance our image. In favor of
this is going to enhance our image.
Thank God we have realized this. Thank God the Indian Medical Association has realized this, and it has started speaking, it has spoken.
There were hundreds of calls to the doctor concerned, but he said nothing to him.
After the Delhi meeting, previously we used to tell the doctors that if they are doing it, it is a crime. Now we have changed our step. We say 98% of our members are not doing it, and only for 2%, when all the medical profession is being degraded, and all the people are putting blame onto us. So far, it is for the better of the profession. This 98% should see that those 2% don't do the sex selection practices.
No CME of the Radiology and Imaging Association is ever concluded without a session by a lawyer and also a person of eminence to talk without talking about the PC and PNDT Act. All our doctors have been told to be absolutely compliant with the acts of the PC PNDT Act.
अब आगे हम कम्युनिटी आउटरीच सर्विसेज करना चाहते हैं ताकि इस विषय पर कम्युनिटी को काफी जागरूक किया जा सके।
Now, what I feel, every ultrasonologist is very keen to keep that record. I personally sent somebody to for normal checkup for a pregnant lady. So he demanded those things. Till those things were given, he did not go ahead. Even knowing me personally.
Now there are around 20 members who are working as a positive. Even in Ambala, number of people are now coming, supporting us, and even telling the area members don't do it. So these are very positive examples.
तो अब मुझे ये फीडबैक मिल रहा है, कुछ पेशेंट वापस आ रहे हैं जिनका मेरी काउंसलिंग से इफेक्ट पड़ा। वो आए हैं और उन्होंने उस प्रेगनेंसी को कंटिन्यू किया और वो बेबी उन लोगों का एक अच्छा बेबी है उनके पास।
The latest being in Sirsa, there was a cross-border sex transmission was going on from Mansar district to Sirsa. Then we contacted both the deputy commissioners, and ultimately that lady was traced out, and the complaints was duly filed.
Not only in Banaras, even in the adjoining districts in which we have been working, we have called the radiologists, we have visited their clinics and the checklist, and we have told them that just being compliant to the PNDT Act will actually help them out in their own professional values and to keep records properly.
रिटायर होने के बाद मैंने डॉक्टर जसपाल के साथ IMA के डॉक्टर्स को UNFPA की सहायता से जो ट्रेनिंग की गई उसमें डिफरेंट डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स पर जाकर के डॉक्टर्स को IMA के डॉक्टर्स को ट्रेनिंग दी।
He is a very helpful person. There's no problem interacting with him and he is available all the time.
मैं ये समझता हूँ कि डॉक्टर जसपाल जो हैं वो इस मामले में, इस फील्ड में, PCP/NDT में काफ़ी अपना इंटरेस्ट दिखा करके काम करना चाहते हैं।
IMA का भी रोल है, दी IMA सब डॉक्टर्स, क्योंकि IMA एक ऐसा संस्था है जहाँ सभी ब्रांच के सभी डॉक्टर्स आते हैं।
I am proud of him. He has always encouraged me.
And they are very happy also that this IMA headquarter has joined hands with UNFPA.
इस आगे आने वाले दशक को हम एक इक्वालिटी के लेवल पर देखना चाहेंगे। आज के 30 दशक के पहले एक डॉक्टर के बियॉन्ड आदमी से पहचान होती है, नारी से नारी की चेतना जागृत होती है कि हमें सेक्स सिलेक्शन नहीं कराना है, लड़की को इतना स्ट्रांग बनाना है कि वो अपने भाग्य, अपने जन्म और अपने फ्यूचर की मालिक खुद बने।